let me show you around thejoyartclub.com. So if you follow the link and go to that website, this is what you'll see. If you're already in the membership, you can log into it here at the top right. And here is a description of what you get and what it's all about. So you can go to this page and sign up. This is the monthly option and this is the yearly option. And you can also get a freebie month here if you want to get a taste of it. So you can grab it here, or if you also, I've already had the pop-up and closed it, but if you kind of move your mouse to go someplace else, you'll have like a pop-up window and you can also sign up there to get your free inspiration. And yeah, so this is the sales page. Now let me take you inside the membership. So once you're inside, this is the membership area. Right now, what lives here is all the important information, what you can find, where is everything, links to everything. Then we have the June 2024 content, which includes all kinds of yummy inspiration that you can find here. I'll show you inside without giving away everything. And there are videos explaining everything. There are recommendations about great recommendations, but not too much, not to overwhelm you. I'm not going to show you like my 10 favorite books, but every month I show you a book that I love, absolutely love, that is like a must-have. A course, not by me, like other people's courses that I recommend. I want this to be an enriching experience for you, not just my stuff. And artists that we can be inspired by, with a big emphasis on color. This was something that I didn't really find in other memberships that I tried and researched. And for me, this has always been a big thing. So kind of everything that I recommend, classes and artists and books, always have that concept in mind, which is color. It doesn't mean that we're all the time talking about like rainbow stuff, but it just means that we are exploring color and how it fits into our art world and creating our own color palettes. This is a main theme of the membership. There are also exclusive inspiration boards on Pinterest. Again, nothing humongous. Everything is very imaginable. Manageable. It drops at the beginning of the month, and then we have the rest of the month to work through it, and then we can move on and get our next dopamine hit when the new month drops. So this is where you get your inspiration, and then for June, there are a few exclusive videos like reviewing some sketchbooks, some sketchbook play, and also some color palette talk. So that's always interesting to see. An amazing book. So I flipped through the whole thing, and this book is actually on Amazon, so you can find it. I hate to find like amazing things that then people can't get. And also a sketchbook tour with a lot of things that I have learned. This month I'm showing you the Royal Talents sketchbook that I finished, I think the fastest I've ever finished a sketchbook, and I talk a lot about that in the flip through. So that's the June month. Then there's the freebie, which you will get if you just sign up for the freebie, so you don't have to become a member to get access to that. I showed you that in the sales page. That's where it lives. And then, of course, how to manage your subscription. Very easy. And the customer support, which is me, is always nice. So this is the classroom. If you join the founders offer, then that means that all of the archives, so this area here will be kept very clean. The reason is that I want you to actually use every month, and get a little bit of that urgency that, you know, you should take advantage of it now. Because a lot of us, when we know something is always there waiting for us, we're actually less likely to use it. And again, this was a lesson that I took from other art memberships, which are amazing and have amazing value. But if it's too overwhelming for me to use, it doesn't help me that I have access to, I don't know, 100 tutorials if I'm too overwhelmed to go and look at them. So in the main membership area here, every month the monthly content will be switched. So at mid-July, kind of, this content, the June 2024, will retire to the archives, and the new drop will come and live in this area. So if you join after the founders offer closes, then you get access to this. So every month you get the content and you have the whole month to go through it, and you have access to the community. But if you also want to be able to access the archives, then that is a part of the founders special offer, and everything will come and live in the archives every month when the old content is retired, and you will have this growing library of content that you have access to as long as you are an active member. So this is the membership area. Now let me take you in the community. This is the community. I'm not going to show you the names of the members now to keep their privacy. If you join, of course, you get to chat and connect with everyone, but this is how it looks. So we have different boards for, like, chat boards for recommendations of art books, art courses, supplies chat, very important, challenge central, where I post weekly challenges that are encouraging but not too limiting. I think a lot of us have a little bit of a rebel streak and we don't want to do things just because someone told us to do things. And there's the general chat, share your art, and most importantly, well, everything is important, but this is quite important, is the suggestions box, because this is a new offer. Then we get to build it together and you get to tell me what you want to see. And yeah, so all of this can be found in the community and you get access to that as well, as long as you're an active member. So that is it. I hope to see you in the Joy Art Club. And see, if you go to this page and then you try to leave, and then this pop-up jumps and you can get the freebie and see what it's all about. Again, the freebie is just a taste. If you join, you get more videos, and you get the community, which is like a huge benefit. All of it for just €9 a month or 79 euros a year. So that is a lot for a very, very, very low price. I hope to see you there. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can email me, you can leave a comment, you can DM me on Instagram. I would love to answer your questions. So I'll see you on Friday in the live stream. Bye bye.